Step number 7, get your home inspection and appraisal. So your offer has been accepted. Now what? Now you need to conduct a home inspection. Depending on where you live, home inspections can range from about $350 up to and over $500, depending on the square footage of the home and other factors. That is a cost that you, as the buyer, will have to incur on your own, so make sure you budget that as well. Some buyers think that if the home is a newer home, they don't need an inspection. But I always recommend that a buyer conduct an inspection because you never know what can happen. And you will also need to have a passing 4-point inspection in order to secure your financing and bind your homeowner's insurance coverage. Your 4 points are your HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and roof. If there are issues with any of those main systems, the seller is going to have to address them and either repair or replace those items. They will also need to provide documentation showing that they were taken care of in order to get a passing 4-point inspection so you can move forward with your transaction. Your agent can help you navigate through these hurdles. And as far as your appraisal goes, this is another cost that you're generally going to have to incur when purchasing a home. The appraisal is ordered by your mortgage lender, but you as the buyer are responsible for the cost, and it typically averages between $400 to $500 or so. Factors like the type of loan, location, size of the home will affect how much you'll have to pay. Usually you can pay less for an appraisal if you go with a conventional loan, and you may pay a little bit more with a government-backed loan like an FHA or VA or even a USDA loan. These appraisals may cost a little bit more because government-backed loans require additional documentation as part of their appraisal. The appraisal will take into consideration the location of the home, homes that were recently sold nearby, the condition of the home, the square footage, and lot size and market conditions. If the appraisal comes in lower than what you originally offered, you may have to renegotiate what you're willing to pay for the property. If the home comes in higher than what you agreed to pay for it, then you already have some instant equity, which is always a wonderful thing. Stay tuned for step number 8.